From SpongeBob forgetting meetings to Pooh skipping accounts, CRM chaos kills sales, dirty data, duplicate leads, broken imports, missing notes. But AI tools rewrite the rules. Otter.ai autologs meetings, Dedupli cleans duplicates, Zapier syncs systems, Gong captures history, Outreach revives stale accounts. The result? Clean data, synced tools, and happier customers. Imagine Mercedes building cars with missing blueprints. Impossible. Sales should be the same. Question: is your CRM working for you or against you? With moksy.ai, you can design your own CRM microsite free, automate everything, and never lose a deal again. No coding skills needed, and it's totally free. Subscribe now because sales chaos belongs in cartoons, not your business.